Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Messenger when it won't open on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here in this window, and you just go down, then you click here on apps, and you come to apps window here in this window, and you just go down here to looking for Messenger app in this window here. You can only search for it. We will click here on Messenger, then we just go to next window here. Like you say, you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you go down, then you click here on storage, and you come to storage window, just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and when you're done, you just go to your Play Store, you click on your Play Store, then you search for Messenger app, and it's going to show for you like this. You found here update, you just click on update, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.